That's my boy.
Stay off the freeways.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
You don't need an award to feel confident. But driving the best mass market brand and dependability by J.D. Power does feel kind of nice, doesn't it? Lease the new 2023 Forte LXS for $199 a month.
Tracking Hillary and the dangerous tropical storm conditions it brings to SoCal. Monday at a special time, 3:30 a.m. on the KTLA 5 Morning News.
Now at 5, torrential rain, dangerous flooding, and gusty winds. All eyes are on Hurricane Hillary, which has triggered Southern California. Its first ever tropical storm warning. We are tracking the storm's path.
Also, a really unthinkable crime on an MTA bus. An 86-year-old woman assaulted and then robbed as she was unconscious. We're going to show you who the LAPD is looking for tonight.
And it's a viral video that has stunned Southern California tonight. The two people deputies say are responsible for a violent purse snatching in Hacienda Heights. They're behind bars. The KTLA 5 News at 5 starts right now. Good Friday evening, everybody. You're watching the KTLA 5 News at 5. I'm Courtney Friel.
Hi, I'm Sandra Mitchell. Thanks for joining us. Cher and Pedro have the night off. Of course, everybody talking about this. Southern California bracing for a potentially record-setting storm.
Hurricane Hillary is making its way up north, triggering a tropical storm watch for all of Southern California. The first one ever. The storm is threatening to bring severe flooding, high winds, and lightning. Now, people across the Southland are being told to prepare for a potentially dangerous situation.
And we have live team coverage for you tonight. Rachel Menitoff standing by. She's in Seal Beach. We begin with meteorologist Vera Jimenez tracking the storm from the Weather Center. Vera.
Thank you so much. As we take a look at the map right now, you can see that this is definitely a very strong system that's going to be moving up the coast of Baja and then eventually making it into Southern California. At this point, Hillary is still moving in a northwesterly direction at about 14 miles per hour. And as you can see, it is bringing the outer bands are already bringing lots of rain in Baja along the peninsula there, and it's going to continue to skirt up the coast. We are going to see it finally push inland, and by the time it arrives here on Sunday, it is going to bring widespread rain. So again, these conditions are going to now keep in mind that the main event of at widespread rain. The rain totals when all is said and done. Now keep in mind that the main event of the rain is going to happen between Sunday and Monday, but we could see rain as early as Saturday and lingering as late as Tuesday. Those rainfall totals are going to be very impressive, especially along our mountains. We're looking at about possibly as much as 10 inches of rain, especially for those south-facing foothills and mountains. We're also going to be looking at rain over the deserts. The high desert could potentially see anywhere from 4 to 7. The low desert, think of places like Palm Springs, maybe as much as 10 inches of rain. With that, we're also going to see a lot of flash flooding potential. We're also going to see rain across the coastal basin, not just of Los Angeles, but also Orange County. And then along the coast, yesterday, compared to what we saw today with the models, the storm surge doesn't look nearly as strong or severe, but it's still going to be pretty dangerous out there. If you are planning anything over the Pacific Ocean near the water, we would say stay out of the water and really limit your travel on Sunday and Monday as much as you can. We'll take a look at the rest of the details and the numbers, the watches, the warnings, and the advisories associated in just a few minutes. For now, I'll send it back to you guys.
Yes, of course, we'll be checking back with you, Vera. Thank you. Leaders here in L.A., including Mayor Karen Bass, Sheriff Robert Luna, are not waiting for the storm to arrive. They're already coordinating an emergency response.
KTLA 5's Rachel Menitoff joins us live from Seal Beach, where she spoke with local residents about the approaching storm and that sand berm so high, Rachel.
Court and Sandy, that's exactly right. Crews constructed this extensive sand berm to protect the beachfront homes. Many people who live by the water have experienced flooding before, and they're bracing for this next round of weather. This is obviously an area that's particularly susceptible to flooding whenever we get a storm rolling in. I do have to say the water has been pretty calm today, pretty peaceful, but that's all supposed to change this weekend. Many people this morning loading up trucks filled with sandbags ahead of a potentially powerful storm. Angelica Garcia is one of them. She's trying to protect her home on Marina Drive.
What my main concerns is that we might not be totally prepared because we haven't experienced this before. So that's what my concern is. I mean, we're doing the basics, but maybe there's other things that we don't know about.
Hillary, now a Category 4 hurricane, is slowly moving north and is nearing Mexico's Baja Peninsula. The storm expected to weaken before it gets to Southern California, but even if it does, it could bring heavy rain, coastal flooding, gusty winds, high surf, and rip currents.
Typically, the systems either break apart over the mountains of the Baja or they weaken due to cooler waters that's west of Baja. This one might find that area where it can stay just close enough to the coast, bring that moisture and the winds on up into portions of the southwest.